Oh my gosh, it's my birthday. A friend is bringing vanilla ice cream and I'm making my favorite thing in my toaster oven, brownies. I'm not going to say how old I am. I've been around a long time. Long enough to know that this brownie recipe is a great recipe, just like many of the 250 recipes in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, which you can buy anywhere. I'm preheating my toaster oven to 350 degrees. I'm starting with a half a cup of melted butter. I'm adding a cup of sugar. In this case, it's turbinado sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, whisking this all together. Now I'm adding a half a cup of flour, a quarter of a teaspoon baking powder, a quarter of a teaspoon salt, and a third of a cup of unsweetened cocoa. Mixing well. I've greased this 8x8 pan with butter and flour. Into the pan goes the mixture. Popping the pan into the toaster oven. Oh yeah, well that was 20 minutes. I can tell it's done because just by touching it lightly, it is springy. The whole kitchen smells like chocolate. Now I'm going to let it cool and then cut it into squares. Cool enough now to cut into squares. How about a little powdered sugar? Well, the ice cream isn't here yet, but I'm just going to have one of these. Oh my gosh, rich chocolate taste. Was this easy? This was so easy. Oh, I just might have another one. No one will notice.